If you are thinking to buy Amazon Prime subscription but not sure how to do so, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can buy Amazon Prime subscription. We'll go through step-by-step process, so be sure to watch the video till the end to avoid missing any details. Now let's get started. First, open any web browser on your PC and go to primevideo.com. Make sure you are logged in into your account. To buy a subscription, click on the Start Your Free Trial button. You'll then be prompted to enter your account details again. After typing them in, click on the Sign In button. Next, you'll be asked to add a payment method. Here, you'll need to provide your card information, including the name of your card and the card number. Once you fill all the details, click on the Add Your Card button. After adding your card, your 7 days free trial will begin. Once the trial ends, your account will automatically switch to a paid membership plan. And that's it. A quick and easy guide on how you can buy subscription on Amazon Prime Video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.